Good day everyone, I am Rachel Gure from BSE Mathematics. For today, we'll discussing about simple interest. What is simple interest? Simple interest is a way of measuring interest that does not account for multiple periods of interest payments or charges. To get the simple interest, we have the formula of I is equals to PRT. I that represents for interest and P for the principal and R for the rate and T for the time. So for example, Mary invests 5,000 pesos in a savings account at an annual interest rate of 7% for 5 years. A. How much money did he earn interest? B. What is the total value of his savings account at this point? Using our formula, I is equals to PRT and our principal value is 5,000 and our rate is 7% and the time is 5. Substitute to this formula, I is equals to PRT. 5,000 times 7% times 5 is equals to 1,750. This is our answer for letter A. For letter B, we will going to add the principal value and the total value of letter A. So 5,000 pesos plus 1,750 is equals to 6,750. So this is our answer for letter B. Let's have an example number 2. Sally invests 8,000 pesos into an account paying an annual interest rate of 8.7%. How many years will it take for her to earn 4,872 pesos in interest? Using our formula, I is equals to PRT. Since we have the given of interest which is 4,872 pesos, is equals to the principal value is 8,000 pesos and the interest rate is 8.7% or 0.087 and the time 4,872 pesos is equals to 8,000 times 0.087 is equals to 696 and time all over both sides 696 and cancel both 696. That's why we will having 7. That's why our time is 7 years will it take for her to earn 4,872 pesos if she invests 8,000 pesos. Cal invests 3,000 pesos into a savings account. In 4 years, she earns a total of 768 pesos in interest. What is the annual interest rate offered by this account? We have the interest rate which is 768 pesos. Principal is 3,000 and the time is 4 years. So our missing is the rate. That's why we are going to substitute this formula I is equals to PRT. Substitute the I 768 pesos is equals to 3,000 times the rate and the time is 4. That's why we will having 768 is equals to multiply the 3,000 times 4 is equals to 12,000 rate. So all over both sides sell 12,000 and that's why we'll having 0.061 and we are going to multiply it in 100 to see value of rate. That's why 0.064 times 100 is equals to 6.4%. So our rate is equals to 6.4%. Let's have an example number 4. Julio borrowed 1,100 pesos from Maria 5 months ago. When he first borrowed the money, they agreed that he would pay Maria 5% simple interest. If Julio pays her back today, how much interest does he owe her? The formula, our principal value is 1,100 pesos and the rate is 5% and the per year the rate is annual and the time is in month. Convert the time period from months to years. That's why our T is equals to 5 all over 12. Solve the amount of interest and the formula of I is equals to PRT. Substitute to its formula. I is equals to 1,100 pesos times 5% times 5 all over 12. So 1,100 pesos times convert it into decimal point, which is 0.05 times 0.416. So we're having the final answer of 22.92 pesos. For Julio to pay back Maria, he must reimburse her for the 1,100 pesos principal borrowed plus the additional 22.92 pesos of interest of simple interest as per their agreement. Let's have another example. A 2 years loan of 500 pesos is made of 4% simple interest. Find the interest earned. Our T time value is equals to 2, which is 2 years. And our principal is 500 pesos initial amount and the rate is 4%. And we can write this as a decimal, which is 0.04. That's why our rate is 0.04. Substitute to our formula, which is I is equals to PRT. And 500 pesos times 0.04 times 2 will having 40. The interest earned is 40 pesos.